In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get Nurture Boost leads to automatically flow into your Podio CRM. This is going to be super helpful for your business. With that being said, in order to set this up, you're going to need a few things open on your computer. You're going to need your Nurture Boost account opened up, you're going to need your Podio account, and you're going to need to be logged into your GoBeFlow account, which is the back end of Podio. So first off, you're going to need to be logged into your Nurture Boost account, you're going to need to be in your Podio, and then logged into GoBeFlow, like I mentioned. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is make sure that we have the right fields and have all the fields for all the data from the Nurture Boost leads in our Podio, so that way all the information can flow through from the Nurture Boost leads. So you're going to want to go ahead and go to your Seller Leads app and make sure that all the fields for all the information you want from the Nurture Boost leads are there. If there's some fields that aren't there, you're going to want to go ahead and click Modify Template, and that's where you would be able to add any missing pieces of information by just dragging in text fields and then adding anything that's missing for fields of data that you want to come through from the Nurture Boost leads. So once all the fields are there, the next thing that we're going to move on to is going and getting our webhook in Podio's GoBeFlow. So in GoBeFlow, we're going to go to Webhooks, and we're going to click Add New Webhooks. Click Create New Flow. And what that's going to do is that's going to give us a link right here. We're going to go ahead and copy that link, and we're going to name the flow Nurture Boost Leads. And the description can be the same thing. So now we're going to go ahead and save that. We're going to go back to Nurture Boost. We're going to go to the webhook area on Nurture Boost, which is right here down at the bottom, webhook. We're going to click on webhook, and from there we're going to go ahead and paste in that link that we got from GoBeFlow, okay? And we're going to activate it, and we're going to click Send Test. Now that the test was successfully sent, we are now going to go back to GoBeFlow, and we're going to click on that webhook, and we're going to click Edit. Now that we can see the test information came through. So the test worked. So if you don't see that information, go and try resending the test on Nurture Boost or refreshing right here, but it should work right away. The next thing that we're going to move on to is actions. We're going to click the plus sign, and we are going to create the action, create an item. Now we're going to select an app. So we have to select an app in our Podio workspace for where we want the information to flow to. So that would be our wholesale leads or our seller leads app. And that's going to show right here. So wholesale leads, we'll select that. And now what we're going to want to do is go ahead and connect the fields. So what we're going to do here is we are going to make sure that we have enough fields for all the information that we want to pull through. So if whatever info you want to come through from Nurture Boost, you're going to want to select right here. So let me go ahead and fill that out, and then we'll resume. All right, so I've added a bunch of them in right here. What you're going to want to do is basically any piece of information that you want, you're going to want to go ahead and place it as one of the options. And then all we're going to do is sync up this field with the data that comes through from Nurture Boost. So the test that we sent goes ahead and gives us test sample data to go ahead and match these fields right here. So for first name, we're going to go ahead and match it by clicking over here, and we're going to need to find owner first name. So that would be owner underscore fname. As we can see, owner fname came through right there. Then we're going to go ahead and do that same thing, owner last name. We're going to do owner phone. Which we can also search owner phone number, email, owner email, street address, or address, property address, city, city name, state, state name, zip code, and then all the other questions that we want to field through. So you can go ahead and match those fields, and once they are all matched up like this, we can go ahead and save the webhook. Current date and time. I just missed that. So for the date created, just put current date and time, save. Once you save the webhook, now we can go ahead and go back to Nurture Boost. We can click send another test, and this time we can go to our workspace and we'll see if the lead came through from Nurture Boost with all the info. So as you can see, it did come through. We got the first name, last name, phone, email, test address, city, state, zip. All of that information came through. So now you are all set up to have Nurture Boost automatically flow the leads directly into your Podio CRM via the GoBeFlow webhook. I hope that video was helpful to show you how to set up Nurture Boost, so that way whenever a lead comes into your Nurture Boost profile, it also shows up in your Podio CRM. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you the most success with Nurture Boost.